Hi Natalie, this is where I am. I'm not doing anything too fancy, I don't think. I have a basic understanding of WordPress. Not advanced at all. So I wanted to put the video here. You can certainly do that, but it wouldn't allow me. It said that it would only take 1 MB. So basically, I'm in editing the article. I hit Add Media. I go to upload the file. I didn't notice it said 1 MB at first, but I see it now. I select the file. It was on the desktop. I got rid of it. But for example, some of these photography files were way too big, which was a bummer because I had to resize them all. And then I asked the guy who wrote the article if the student has a website or something we can link to, because you don't see the detail of the photos when they're so small. But anyway, I'll just show you. This one says 24 megabytes, and then you get this little message. So basically, that's all I did. So for that one in particular, I just made small versions. And it doesn't look as good, but you get the idea. Anyway, if you have a different method, please let me know. Bye-bye.